Well, I went to the laundromat the other day and we have got to talk about this. Well, welcome back to another travel news episode. I'm your host, Robert Witham. I scour the news for stories of interest to travelers and those who love the great outdoors so you don't have to. And in each one of these travel news episodes, I try to keep you apprised of what's going on out there. So real quickly, before we dive into today's story about laundromats, did you know I'm on Patreon? You can join and follow me there for as little as $1 a month. And that's the place where I post a lot of behind the scenes stories and photos and news and other things that just doesn't make it to YouTube and other social media. So if you want to know more and be in the know on the behind the scenes, check me out on Patreon. It's patreon.com/Robert Witham, and you can join for as little as $1 a month. All right, so let's talk about laundry. I went to the laundromat the other day. Now, that in itself is not news. I do that on occasion. Maybe not as often as some other people because I find it annoying, so I'll often throw shirts and socks, underwear, those kind of things. Not jeans, that's too much hassle, but lighter stuff I'll often throw in the sink and wash it out by hand to try and extend my time before I have to go to the laundromat. Then I do it all again at the laundromat when I go, so, kind of maybe every other wear, you know how that works. And when I was in the van full time, I do it in a bucket, but I got a sink now, so that's nice and convenient. So I do go to the laundromat periodically. But I went in the other day, and this place I've been going in Wyoming, I've been going there for a couple of years, and I think it's been about $375 or so for a double load front loader. But hey, it's clean, it's local family owned, the machines all work, the change dispenser works, there's an attendant on duty if you actually need anything, so yeah, I'll pay a little extra for that. Well, I went in the other day, and can you believe the price for the smallest machine is up to $5 now. Now it is a front loader. They claim it does 2 loads of laundry. I promise you their idea of 2 loads of laundry and mine are very different. I have a very small mesh bag that I use for my laundry bag, and that's why I take it to the laundromat. When it gets full, I go to the laundromat. Deborah actually gave it to me a couple of years ago, I think, and it's not very big. And this machine pretty well fills up with, there's supposed to be 2 loads, pretty well fills up my little red bag. So my idea of 2 loads in theirs is different, but it's up to $5 now for 2 loads of laundry. So, I mean, what are you going to do, right? I'm already there. I need laundry, so do my laundry in. Coming back from getting a whole bunch of change, because I always only have 1 load of laundry, but now it's $5 plus I need money for the dryer. So turn around and look at the other side, and there's a machine that's supposedly 6 loads of laundry, which means it's probably like 3 loads. That's $11.50, and then the one next to that, I forget how many loads it was, and I forgot to get a picture of it. That one was $16. Now, I'll grant you the $11.50 and $16 machines are pretty big, but I mean, I have never spent that much on laundry in my life, so I was kind of blown away. I've also never spent $5 to wash a single load of laundry in my life. Then I get over to the dryer, and it's like, I have 50 cents for 6 or 8 minutes, and then every quarter you get 3 minutes or 4 minutes. It alternates above that, and that's a lot more than it used to be too. So anyway, I'm I don't know what to say about this. I've been hearing mixed news on this. My experience is obviously very anecdotal. It's just one laundromat here in Wyoming, but I've been hearing mixed things from people all over the place. Some are saying laundry's kind of staying the same. Some are saying they've seen some steep increases. So what I'm wondering is, what are you all experiencing? Are you finding laundry going up, or is it kind of staying the same wherever you're at? And this is important, guys. This is really important news. It's a really important conversation because I'm telling you, if you think the pandemic was catastrophic for nomads with social isolation and you can't camp with your friends and all this stuff, what do you think is going to happen if laundry keeps going up, right? How long is it going to be before nomads can't afford to wash their laundry anymore? Because, I mean, let's face it, some people don't mind doing all their laundry by hand, and some people have these little cute baby washing machines they carry with them. Most of us rely on laundromats. So what happens when we can't afford to do our laundry anymore? We start, start stinking. Don't smell so good anymore, right? Nobody's going to want to camp with us. Our friends and family will start shying away or running away maybe. Maybe they won't even be shy about it. All right, so maybe it's not going to be that big of a crisis, but I am curious because I was shocked, man. I took pictures and sent them to friends and family going, what the heck, you know? Of course, my daughter, by the way, is like, Pops, come over to my house and do laundry. That's ridiculous, but... All right, so you figured out by now this is just a fun video, but it was shocking to me when I went into this laundromat and saw how much the price has gone up. And so, but I am curious, seriously, what you're experiencing wherever you're at, because I know I've seen like paper towels I can get now pretty consistently. They're seem to be maintaining price finally. Toilet paper is available, but it seems to be going up in price a little bit. Beef. That's gone up, man. I've had to cut back on how much beef I buy because of the price of it. So I'm curious, what are you finding out about laundry? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you really enjoyed this video, YouTube has a new feature they're rolling out called Super Thanks. You'll see the link below this video. Somehow I was on one of the early channels that YouTube extended this feature to, and I just the other day had someone make the first Super Thanks contribution there. Is basically just like a super chat, but it's you can do a tip if you like a particular video. So if you got a kick out of this video, if you liked it, if you thought it was incredibly valuable information for the coming Nomad laundry apocalypse, if you feel like you can leave a tip there. Either way, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for joining this travel news episode.